Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the inspiring story behind Chuck and Pearl's Day, a celebration that beautifully blends style with symbolism. This day, founded by Latanga Rainey in 2021, honors U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris, who has used her unique pairing of iconic Chuck Taylor sneakers and timeless pearls to convey both power and relatability. Kamala's journey has reshaped leadership and become a beacon of resilience, unity, and empowerment, inspiring a cultural movement that transcends political boundaries. Latanga Rainey founded Chuck and Pearl's Day in 2021 to celebrate Kamala as the highest-ranking Black politician in the United States. Born to an Indian mother and a Jamaican father, Kamala's story is one of perseverance and ambition, embodying the breaking of barriers and the significance of representation. Beyond politics, her style sends a powerful message, inspiring millions. Today, we'll explore how Chuck and Pearl's Day began, what Kamala's style represents, and how you can embody this look to honor her legacy. Kamala's journey to the vice presidency is marked by many historic achievements, often as firsts, which have paved the way for a more inclusive American political landscape. Her career took off with significant milestones, starting with her role as California's first female attorney general from 2011 to 2017. During her tenure, Kamala championed reforms in criminal justice, environmental justice, and consumer protection, consistently challenging traditional barriers and setting an example for future leaders. Kamala's unique look, often featuring sleek black suits, a strand of pearls, and low-top Chuck Taylors, gained public attention during her 2020 campaign with Joe Biden. Dubbed the Chuck and Pearls style, this combination symbolized her approach to leadership as both strong and approachable. Kamala's pearls trace back to her time at Howard University, where she joined Alpha Kappa Alpha, the first historically Black sorority. Pearls have since become a statement for her supporters, embodying timeless values of grace and integrity. Meanwhile, wearing Chucks with pearls has become Kamala's way of expressing herself, a style that resonates with women across backgrounds as a symbol of identity, pride, and resilience. Style. Kamala's style during her campaign wasn't just about fashion. It was a statement about modern leadership and individuality. Her combination of formal attire with casual sneakers defied traditional expectations, showing that leadership today can be both strong and grounded. This mix of sophistication and comfort sent a powerful message. Leaders don't have to adhere to rigid standards to be effective. For many, Kamala's style has become a celebration of personal identity and unity. Chuck and Pearl's Day has evolved beyond fashion, representing resilience, pride, and solidarity. Kamala's look has become synonymous with empowerment, reminding us that style can convey deep values and inspire unity. If you're looking to celebrate Chuck and Pearl's Day in style, consider incorporating a beautiful pearl necklace to capture the day's spirit. The Zoe Lev pearl bead necklace, for instance, offers a delicate yet elegant option. This piece can be worn alone for a minimalist, sophisticated look or layered with other jewelry. You can even make it your own by adding initials or diamond bezels. For a more classic choice, the cultured pearl necklace comes in 18-inch and 36-inch lengths. You can choose the 18-inch length to wear as a single layer, or the 36-inch length to double up or wear long. Your choice. Triple strand pearl necklace is perfect for a layered look without the high price tag. This design pairs beautifully with button-up shirts, dresses, and sweaters, making it ideal for both casual and formal events. For a modern twist, the multicolored tennis beaded and pearl necklace combines colorful pearls in a playful yet elegant style, embodying Chuck and Pearl's Day with a touch of vibrant personality. Of course, no Chuck and Pearl's Day look is complete without a pair of iconic Chuck Taylor sneakers. Kamala Harris has famously worn the Chuck Taylor All-Star low-top sneakers, which exude timeless appeal and versatility in colors like black and white. These durable sneakers are ideal for anyone looking to channel Kamala's relaxed yet stylish aesthetic. For added height, the Chuck Taylor All-Star high-top platform sneakers offer a classic look with extra lift. Available in popular colors, these platforms provide a playful twist on the iconic Chucks. If you're feeling adventurous, the Chuck Taylor All-Star Lift Platform glitter sneakers add a touch of glam to your look. Coated in glitter and available in shades like dusty cinder and black, these sneakers bring a unique sparkle and a playful vibe, perfect for those who want to shine. The Chuck Taylor All-Star Lift Platform Oxford sneaker is the perfect way to elevate your Chuck N Pearls look, both literally and figuratively. With its classic Chuck style and a sturdy platform sole, this sneaker adds a fresh twist to Kamala's iconic vibe, offering a bit of extra height while keeping that relaxed, effortless appeal. These platforms bring a chic edge to any outfit, allowing you to embrace the Chuck N Pearls style with a modern flair. Pair them with your favorite jeans or even a dress for a bold, balanced look that's perfect for any occasion. As we approach the 2024 presidential election, Chuck N Pearls Day has grown into a symbol of social and political unity, representing Kamala's commitment to racial equality, representation, and inclusion. Her story, woven with the heritage of her Jamaican and Indian roots, resonates with many Americans who see in her journey a reflection of their own experiences. In a climate often dominated by divisive rhetoric, Chuck N Pearls Day reminds us that wearing chucks and pearls is more than a fashion choice. It's a statement of support for values like unity and progress. Chuck N Pearls Day represents Kamala's journey. This day has grown in popularity, symbolizing pride, resilience, and unity. So wear pearls and lace up your chucks to celebrate your identity and solidarity while envisioning a future that values diversity and inclusion. From college students to CEOs, people everywhere have embraced Chuck N Pearls Day as a shared emblem of empowerment, each adding their own twist to this iconic style. Across social media, people post images of themselves sporting pearls and chucks, uniting under a global narrative of diversity and resilience. Beyond social media, Chuck N Pearls Day has inspired local events, fundraisers, and charitable initiatives. Many organizations celebrate the day with community gatherings that promote inclusion and resilience. Some host charity drives or mentorship programs to support racial equality, women's empowerment, and educational opportunities for underrepresented communities. With its roots in both activism and personal expression, Chuck N Pearls Day continues to inspire a new generation to lead with authenticity, make a statement with style, and unite around shared values. Chuck N Pearls Day has grown into a powerful movement that celebrates unity, resilience, and the strength of individuality, much more than just a tribute to Kamala Harris's iconic style. Created in 2021 by Latanya Rainey, this day has become a symbol that unites people from all walks of life, celebrating diversity and breaking barriers. Kamala's pairing of Chuck Taylor sneakers and timeless pearls became an instant emblem during her campaign, representing her dual qualities of relatability and strength. This combination, sneakers and pearls, has since evolved into a statement of pride, individuality, and solidarity. The impact of Chuck N Pearls Day can be felt across communities, workplaces, and schools, where people gather to honor Kamala's legacy. It's a day that calls for more than just imitating a look. It's about embracing the values Kamala embodies: resilience, authenticity, and a commitment to inclusivity. Many workplaces celebrate by organizing events that encourage discussions around diversity and leadership, creating spaces for people to reflect on Kamala's journey and her role in shaping a more inclusive future. Schools, too, use Chuck N Pearls Day as an educational opportunity, teaching students about Kamala's path to the vice presidency and the significance of representation. Community groups often hold charity events, fundraisers, and mentorship programs to uplift marginalized voices, reinforcing the day's spirit of empowerment and support. On social media, Chuck N Pearls Day has taken on a life of its own, with people posting photos of themselves in pearls and chucks, sharing personal stories and messages of resilience. For many, wearing this combination is a declaration of solidarity with Kamala's story and the values she represents. Each post, each image, serves as a reminder that style can be deeply meaningful, embodying values that resonate across backgrounds and experiences. It has become a way for individuals to express pride in their unique identities, while connecting with a larger community that celebrates diversity, unity, and strength. Chuck and Pearls Day has also inspired local and national initiatives that promote empowerment and equality. Some communities hold special events, like drives for women's empowerment, mentorship programs for young people, and fundraising for organizations that champion racial equality and social justice. These gatherings underscore the idea that Chuck and Pearls Day is more than a fashion statement. It's an opportunity to create real change and inspire a new generation of leaders who value authenticity and inclusivity. Ultimately, Chuck and Pearls Day is about wearing one's identity with pride, embodying resilience, and honoring a future rooted in diversity and unity. This day reminds us that style, like leadership, can be both bold and grounded, uniting us through shared values and inspiring us to imagine a more inclusive world. In conclusion, Chuck and Pearls Day has become a celebration of resilience, unity, and individuality. The sophistication of pearls combined with the cool vibe of Chucks represents Kamala's legacy, showing us that power can be both refined and relatable. Who will win the 2024 presidential race may come down to who voters believe will be best for the economy. Every vote counts, so don't forget to vote on November 5th. Thank you for joining us as we celebrate unity, strength, and the power of our voices to shape the future.